When most people think of volcanoes, they imagine power and chaos, glowing rivers of lava, thunderous explosions, and dark clouds of ash rising high into the sky. It's nature at its most dramatic, loud, fiery, and unforgettable. But what happens after the eruption fades? When the lava cools, and the world grows quiet, the volcano doesn't truly sleep. Even in silence, volcanoes are breathing. They release invisible gases, a mix of sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and other chemicals that drift gently into the atmosphere. Up there, in the thin blue air above, these gases undergo mysterious chemical reactions and turn into something almost ghost-like. Tiny airborne particles known as aerosols. Aerosols are unbelievably small, thousands of times thinner than a human hair. Yet they have incredible power. They can scatter sunlight. They can make sunsets glow deeper red. They can even change the way clouds form and behave. To understand these invisible effects, scientists turn to space. Using satellite data from NASA and the European Space Agency, they analyzed years of observations to see how volcanic aerosols influence the water droplets that make up clouds. To make sure the results were clear, they focused on remote locations, comparing 3 isolated volcanic islands to 3 quiet islands without any volcanic activity. And what they found was remarkable. Over the non-volcanic islands, the clouds looked normal, their droplets large, bright, and unchanged. But around volcanoes, something subtle yet powerful was happening. Near volcanoes, the cloud droplets were smaller, and the clouds themselves appeared brighter. The reason lies in how aerosols work. They act as tiny seeds for water vapor to condense on. When there are more of these seeds, more droplets form, but each droplet is smaller. That makes the cloud reflect more sunlight back into space. It becomes whiter, brighter, and slightly cooler to the touch of sunlight. It may seem like a tiny change, but it matters. This subtle reflection means less heat stays on Earth. And even that small shift can ripple outward, influencing rainfall, altering winds, and shaping weather across the globe. After massive volcanic eruptions, scientists have measured global temperatures dropping for months, even years. But what's truly fascinating is that even silent volcanoes, through their steady breath of aerosols, play a quiet role in balancing Earth's energy. By studying these delicate interactions between aerosols and clouds, scientists are discovering how volcanoes, both fierce and calm, help regulate the planet's climate. Every puff of volcanic gas is part of a much larger story. A story about the invisible connections between land, sky, and the air we all share. So the next time you see a volcano standing still on the horizon, remember, it's not just a mountain. It's alive. It's shaping the air above us, influencing the weather, and reminding us how deeply everything on Earth is connected. This is the science universe, where every quiet detail reveals a powerful truth about our planet.